vision and mission company. For vision, to become a successful Malaysian automotive manufacturer globally, and mission, our company's history is one of remarkable achievements that we are proud. Our pride is in the vital force that drives us forward and forces us to take on new challenges. As a national project, the Protons are committed ability in the design and technology that will drive the nation and achieve the status of an industrialist country.
Proton has a very organizational chart and strategy because it is divided into two parts. Part 1 is the board of directors filled by Datuk Seri Syed Faizal as chairman and Ahmad Jauhari bin Yahya, Datuk Wira Azhar bin Abdul Hamid, Daniel Dong Hui Lee, and Gan Jiayu as directors. While the next part is senior management, namely Dr. Lee Chun Rong as Chief Executive Officer and Encik Roslan bin Abdullah as Deputy Chief Executive Officer. This matter is very important for the smoothness and system in the Proton company is done well according to the set work motion.
According to New Straits Times with the title of The Way Forward for Protons in the years of 2017, it states that Proton needs to be transformed in an aggressive way due to highly competitive and the growing up in the automotive industry. Proton reached their highest point when they controlled 64% of the market share and reached sales volume of 176,100 units of Proton car. Proton sales seems to be declined drastically over the years. In the years of 2006, the second national car maker, Perusahaan Automobil Kedua, Produa, a very competitive company which became established in 1993, had beaten Proton in the Malaysia automobile industries. Proton's operations were affected by part shortage as their vendors and suppliers. Operations were temporarily halted by incidents of floods in the late December last year. The prolonged global chip shortage continues to hurt Protons, where Izzat Protons International car maker announced that sales fell by a considerable 32.2% in April to 8,839 units, including exports. This is despite the company working had to clear a backlog of orders, making up for the shortfall in production in the first 3 months of the year.
The solution strategies in Proton is designed for availability. When losing sales due to a supply chain shock, leading companies rapidly redesign existing products to minimize or eliminate their exposure to the company shortage. With the chip shortage, this might entail removing non-essential features underpinned by unavailable chips, minimizing product customization, qualifying parts from multiple suppliers, or creating new products that rely on available chips and serve untapped market niches. Other than that, the most successful companies start by deploying an agile, cross-functional team with the right skills to quickly and effectively achieve the redesign and give it a set of clear goals and incentives to deliver on the project. They continue using the agile team in other strategic ways even after the supply shock has passed. That way, these teams continue adding value while remaining ready to spring into action when the next disruption hits.
The solution to solve this problem is shapes demands to accommodate supplies. Sales and marketing can play a critical role in responding supply crunches. One of the most effective tactics is actively steering customers toward the company more widely available product. One of the technology company is working to develop a machine learning algorithms for its online store that recognize when a shopper demonstrates interest in a low supply product and instead recommends a related product to more inventory.